Welcome back to Global Bike Buzz, where we bring you the latest and most in-depth looks at the world's hottest two-wheelers. Today, we've got something truly exciting, an in-depth review of the 2025 Yamaha AEROX 155, a scooter that's redefining the limits of sporty urban commuting while packing serious punch under the saddle. If you've been eyeing a performance scooter that combines sharp aesthetics, cutting-edge tech, and everyday usability, stay with us, because Yamaha's latest upgrade to the AEROX is ready to stir things up. From the very first glance, the 2025 Yamaha AEROX 155 demands attention. Up front, the aggressive fascia features newly refined twin-LED headlights that not only illuminate the road with precision but also elevate the scooter's modern sport bike-inspired attitude. The reworked front cowl now boasts sharper aerodynamic lines, channeling air more efficiently and giving the scooter a futuristic vibe. Subtle tweaks in the front apron, like a slightly more sculpted intake design, hint at its performance DNA, while ensuring optimal airflow to keep everything cool. Move to the side and you'll see the muscular stance of the AEROX in full glory. The body panels flow seamlessly from the front to the rear, creating a streamlined profile that's both athletic and functional. The dual-tone paint schemes with contrasting decals scream race-ready, and the underbone-style chassis design not only contributes to the aggressive styling but also enhances structural rigidity. The wide floorboard is neatly integrated without disrupting the form, offering comfort without compromise. Alloy wheels with a fresh design paired with tubeless tires lend both style and safety, while the telescopic front suspension and rear unit swing shock absorber work together to keep your ride smooth. At the rear, the story continues with a sharply sculpted tail section that complements the sporty vibe. The integrated LED taillight unit is sleek, with angular lines that mirror the front design cues. Turn indicators remain separate, mounted low, keeping the aesthetic tidy and purposeful. A bold grab rail enhances pillion comfort and adds to the scooter's muscular silhouette. The exhaust has also seen minor tweaks, now with a sportier heat shield design that subtly hints at its performance capability. Underneath all this style is where the AEROX really begins to show its teeth. Yamaha has continued with its powerful 155cc, liquid-cooled, SOC, 4-valve engine, which now features updated variable valve actuation, VVA, technology for even more responsive throttle performance across a wide RPM range, producing around 15 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and 13.9 Nm of torque at 6,500 RPM. This engine isn't just for show, it delivers exhilarating acceleration that rivals some entry-level motorcycles, especially in city traffic and on short highway bursts. Mated to a CVT transmission, the power delivery is silky smooth yet immediate. Thanks to Yamaha's precise tuning, the engine is equipped with a smart motor generator system for quieter starts and improved fuel efficiency. Fuel economy hovers around an impressive 40 to 45 km/L depending on riding style, making it an economical choice for daily commutes without sacrificing the thrill factor. The 5.5-liter fuel tank ensures longer rides between stops, ideal for both city riders and occasional tourers. Handling is another highlight. The low center of gravity combined with its wide tires gives the AEROX 155 superb agility. Whether you're darting through traffic or taking sharp corners on winding roads, the scooter feels planted and confident. The braking setup, with a 230mm front disc and rear drum, offers adequate stopping power, although ABS is now standard, providing that extra peace of mind on slippery surfaces. The digital LCD instrument cluster is intuitive, fully backlit, and easy to read even under direct sunlight. It offers essential ride data like speed, RPM, trip meter, fuel efficiency, and even smartphone connectivity via Yamaha's Y-Connect app. Riders can receive notifications, track maintenance schedules, and monitor ride stats right from their mobile devices. There's also a charging port tucked into the glove box for on-the-go device charging, perfect for the modern commuter. As for comfort, the AEROX 155 doesn't disappoint. The saddle is wide, plush, and supportive for both rider and pillion. Seat height stands at about 790mm, which is friendly for shorter riders without sacrificing comfort for taller ones. The underseat storage is spacious enough to accommodate a full-face helmet and some essentials, making it as practical as it is sporty. Now let's talk price. Depending on your market, the 2025 Yamaha AEROX 155 is priced competitively, sliding just above typical 125cc scooters but well below performance motorcycles. In countries like India, the expected price hovers around a superscript 11.50 lakh ex showroom, while in Southeast Asia and Europe, it varies between $2,200 to $2,800. For what it offers in terms of style, performance, and features, the AEROX represents excellent value. So what's the verdict? Yamaha has taken a winning formula and polished it even further. The 2025 AEROX 155 isn't just a scooter, it's a bold statement. It's for riders who want the everyday convenience of a scooter but crave the thrill of something sportier. Whether you're a city commuter, a weekend explorer, or just someone who loves cutting through traffic with a dose of adrenaline, the AEROX 155 stands ready. Thanks for tuning into Global Bike Buzz. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Yamaha AEROX 155,